Hi there, Alex from Hammer Missions, out here in the glorious Richmond Park. So the aim of the game today is to take the Mavic 3E for a flight and then verify the data. And we're going to show you how to do that. So here we are, all set up. Got our checklist and we're going to fly. So we're uploading the data to the Mavic 3E. Off she goes. And we've sped this up just to alleviate a bit of time. So there she is, off collecting data across Richmond Park. We just went for a mapping mission. I think we're looking at just shy of 500 photos for this particular mission. So we shall wait until it's finished. So what we need to do now is go into settings. We come down to verify mission. And what that'll do is it'll download the data from the drone, as you can see there on the right hand side. And we'll be able to verify our data before we head back to the office. As you can see there on the map, on the left hand side, unfortunately it's quite small, it's currently going through and verifying each line of data and collecting those images directly from the aircraft. This can take a little while, seeing as there are nearly 500 images. There you go, actually you can see on the screen there, 420. You can see it's slowly making its way through them. There we go. That's all our data downloaded. And now we can scroll through and see all of our photos. We can click on any one of those photos and bring it up on the screen just to verify it. There you go. Again, we can do it with another one as well. There we are. See some of these ones down here, they will take a little bit of time to push through. And again, we can verify another photo. Once you're done, press done. I'll just show you how to do that again very quickly. So you come up to your settings. Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, press verify mission. And that's how you verify data with Hammer Missions. Thanks very much for watching.